The home is the harbor for our body. And within the home, there is one place that directly nourishes our physical selves, providing us with the most fundamental life force energy. This place is the kitchen. In Feng Shui, the kitchen is the heart of the home and the source of the entire family's health energy. The core energies of the kitchen are the interplay of fire and water. Fire, the stove, represents transformation, warmth, and passion. Water, the sink, the refrigerator, represents flow, wealth, and emotions. The key to good kitchen Feng Shui lies in allowing these two powerful, seemingly opposing energies to coexist in harmony, rather than in conflict. We call this water and fire in harmony. A kitchen with balanced water and fire can bring health, wealth, and harmonious relationships to the family. Rule 1. The stove and sink should not be adjacent or directly opposite each other. When the stove, fire, and the sink, water, are right next to each other, or facing one another, it creates the most direct water-fire clash formation, which can easily lead to family arguments and health issues. It's best to have some distance between them, or use a green plant wood to mediate. Rule 2. The stove should have a solid backing. The stove should ideally be against a solid wall. This symbolizes that the family's health has support, and their wealth has a backing. Avoid placing the stove under a window, as that can lead to a loss of energy. Rule 3. Keep the kitchen clean and bright. The kitchen is where food is created. Its level of cleanliness is directly related to the quality of the energy we put into our bodies. A clean, bright, and well-ventilated kitchen is the best center for health energy. The kitchen is a place in the home filled with love and alchemy. Here, raw ingredients are transformed into the energy that nourishes our lives. Treat your kitchen with care, and you are treating the health and well-being of yourself and your family with care. May you walk in harmony with the Tao, and may all your endeavors unfold with ease.